Emergency services are out now.
Yeah.
That
People are rushing to get home. Food, gasoline for emergency.
Whoa, what are they doing?
But it's going to be quite the storm.
I'm the problem. What is that? Well, how did that end up there?
It's going to be trees falling down and power gone everywhere, Sam. I guarantee it.
This is true breaking news. Alright guys, we are going outside in a sec. No, I'll get to see how chaotic it is. Dad, father and son activities.
Yes, we have to go get emergency supplies. We got everything else that we need. We got tons of food, enough to live for 6 months worth of fish and meat and stuff and chicken. But, well, I got...
Look at that. You see the snow in the video. Wait. Hold on. Oh, look how... Oh, the snow's flying. Alright, I'll take shotgun. So I left them in the well. It's me. Hi. I'm the problem. What is that? Well, how did that end up there? Oh my goodness. This is why emergency preparedness is essential. Oh my. You forgot the gas.
Well, I didn't really forget it. It just wasn't the first thing on my mind, but because the wind is blowing hard now and it's doing exactly what it said at 11 o'clock. The storm is supposed to come. The winds are supposed to pick up and it's supposed to be blizzard conditions that they might even want to close the highways. It's going to be pretty tough. Look at the way the snow is blowing now. Wait till the snow gets thicker.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the video will be intense. This is guys, this is true breaking news right now. Is it?
Well, it will be if the storm gets really, really bad, and this is not a good time of year to have a big storm like this because...
Parties.
Look at this, pieces of stick and tree. I'll back up so you can see it that have already blown out of that tree there. Look at it on the ground. Can you see it? Lift up high. See it on the ground?
I think.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, you can see that on the ground.
It's gonna
be a storm? Damaging winds and all. This is pandemonium. I'm terrified. That
People are rushing to get home. Food, gasoline for emergency.
Whoa, what are they doing?
But it's going to be quite the storm. Probably a storm that I haven't seen as bad as this in 30 years.
They said in the U.S., I'm pretty sure, I think it's in the U.S., this is a once in 40 years storm that's happening. So I saw on NBC.
Okay, I got to turn right around before.
This is like a busy time right now. People are like trying to get, like this is a small town. There are crowds and like cars all over trying to get out. Like there's like usually there's like 2 cars on this, or like people are rushing to get home. We're outside the gas station. There's Daddy.
Okay, I got to turn the truck off for a minute, Sandy, because I got to get gas and
Take a poop.
a lottery ticket.
Ooh, can I come in? So we got our snacks from the...
There's going to be trees falling down and power gone everywhere, Sandy, I can guarantee you.
This is true breaking news. I'm gonna buckle up. Oh, okay. This is actually chaos. This is not staged, guys. This is happening.
So I think what we should do is...
oh, it says ice possible, drive with care.
going on?
Drive through town?
Yeah.
Oh my. Mom's gonna think we died or
We
something.
got brand new BF Goodrich tires.
Alright.
Brand new BF Goodrich tires and a full tank of gas. 4-wheel drive. Chevy Trail Boss, one of the best trucks on the road.
Look at those trees. They're gonna collapse.
I know, they're blowing pretty hard. Oh,
One of them's like tilted. It's gonna fall down.
one already did, look. It's on the sidewalk.
Whoa. It is. You can't even see
I know.
hardly from the store. Got my Biosteel. Should I open my drink?
You can't,
Yeah, we can grab McDonald's.
even though it's early, because you can always heat it up. I'm ready to eat mine now. But it's late.
Dad,
Oh.
that's right. Why is it all red? So we have Biosteel. It's like a milk carton.
Breaking news, folks. This will likely be one of the worst snowstorms I've seen in my
It smells like
lifetime,
medicine.
or in at least 40 years.
Ooh.
The conditions in the last hour have depreciated massively.
Should point the camera at the window. Drink the pink. What? People are trying to evacuate town right now. People are like trying to evacuate right now. This is breaking news. We are real Canadians. True Canada. Hey, Daddy.
Yep, Canadians.
This is crazy. We're gonna go get McDonald's in this weather. We got our combos from the store as well. Biosteel's pretty good. Not sponsored. Wait. What did it say about a security seal or meal? Or actually, I'll get a double cheeseburger meal.
No, hang on now. If you get the double or 2 cheeseburger, that means you get 2 cheeseburgers, right?
Yeah.
So if you get the double, you're just getting an extra slice of cheese or an extra
All right,
burger.
I'll get a 2 cheeseburger meal
Okay, I would go with that.
with root beer as the drink.
Okay, and large fries.
Yeah. This is true breaking news. This is like my 8th time saying it in this video.
Look at the branches blowing around.
I know.
Sticks blowing down off the trees, cracking off.
Wow.
They said damaging winds and possible power outages. You watch and see.
I'll vlog this definitely.
We're prepared though.
Yeah, be prepared.
From -3 down to 0 degrees, and the snow and wind are intensifying.
You mean it's dropped from free to 0 degrees?
That's right. Well, that's what I said.
You said minus free?
Oh, sorry.
0 degrees outside.
Good. People aren't too much of a panic yet. You can still get in and out of here quickly.
Yeah. Biosteel. Not sponsored. It'd be awesome if we were sponsored by Biosteel, but we are not. Sadly. Shadow.
Okay, be quiet now.
Oh, is it still breakfast time? I think it's still breakfast.
Yes, are you ready for lunch yet?
No, not quite.
How long?
1 moment.
It's 10:56.
Okay, I'll take a 2 cheeseburger meal with,
Okay, the 2 cheeseburger meal?
yes, with root beer and a large fry.
Okay.
And I'll take a quarter or double quarter pounder with cheese meal with Coke and a large fry.
All right, wonderful. Any temperature drinks?
Yes, fire a couple in, please. Put a couple in, please. Yes.
What's up, guys? I'm back. This is an alert right now. There is a major storm. They are expecting that's gonna exceed 100 kilometers an hour winds. They are also expecting up to 30-foot tall waves of water on Lake Ontario. There's probably gonna be at least like a foot of snow outside. Power will go out. This is most likely an emergency situation. There's a high chance that electricity will cut during this storm system. So I will most likely keep you updated. Stay tuned.
Yes, please. Okay, thank you.
All right. And there's no long waits in line because there's no one in line. Probably people are too scared to go out. But we have 4-wheel tires, big sturdy truck.
4-wheel drive pickup truck with brand new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. Yes, ma'am.
The McDonald's
Happy holidays.
experience. Emergency. Happy emergency. Baby, it's cold outside. Is that a doctor in there? What's going on? Biosteel. I've been wanting to try Biosteel for a while. Cease today. It's good. It's got mixed berry. Mindfully sealed with a plant-based cap.
Okay. Yeah.
The reserved parking.
Where is number 2?
Right there.
Okay.
Let's just pull up. Look, the garbage can is tipped. This is the day the storm hit. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Emergency services are out now.
Yeah.
Something must have gone wrong. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, it's windy. Ooh, it's fast.
You should have your seatbelt.
They bringing us our food? Where are they? Oh, they're coming.
Number 2?
Yep.
Yep. Thanks. Nice day for that, eh?
Yeah, there you go.
Happy holidays.
Woo! Made a fart sound.
We're going to drive through downtown Port Hope.
This is like an emergency situation right now, Blair.
Actually, you know what?
Something tyrannical.
I can go this way. I just want to see what's going on because like these conditions are getting really bad. And I just think the amount of people that got to get home today.
Number.
Snow is building, winds are building, conditions are going to get slippery and colder. Now it's down to -1.
Oh, it's dropping as we speak. The temperature's dropping. No. What was that with the wind? That sound. About to get pulled off the ground.
Unbelievable.
There's a church over there.
We are going to put the vehicle into 4-wheel drive. Click.
4-wheeled shift.
We are now in 4-wheel drive.
Dad, look. It looks like the speed counter is even spazzing out of it. It's flashing white for a sec.
Check out the grip that this truck has with 4-wheel drive. Watch.
Let's break the no.
Look at all the sticks.
On the ground. Branches fall. Evil. That evil outside.
Keep watching. This is.
The conditions are punishing. This is like a state of emergency.
Look on the sidewalk.
Is that emergency service? Retirement home.
Big stick. The tree broke off there. Look.
Woo! The sun's out there.
Wow. It's down on the wire too.
Ooh, evil. Punishing conditions outside. More ambulances! If only we had our quads. What's going on?
wait till that other car passes and then we'll pass that tractor.
Talk about tractors a lot. You could be a farmer. Find the tractor. What was that? It's the vet's office. Look at the sign, it's blowing. It's blowing around, the metal sign is jiggling. My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, faux show. And if you don't, you know.
Look at that sign blowing down. I'm almost to the ground up there. Look, saying new.
Punishing conditions outside. It's up to like some like hurricane level conditions out here.
It is.
And we're out and we're just out getting food. This is life in Canada for y'all.
Mom said that
The
they're
world is in it.
expecting the winds on Lake Ontario to produce waves as high as 30 feet high today.
30! That's like a tsunami!
Yes. It's a powerful storm that's pushing through.
I swear. Why is it so slow?
That's just a lot of people, that's all.
Alright, I want a green light. I want a moon. Alright, need some more Biosteel to cool me, calm me down. My dad lives off of minimum wage. No. Far from it. You will get some sandwiches from work if the opportunity arises. This is quite a butt Wagner outside. This is an insane storm. Look at it. It's blowing outside. It's gonna get more and more insane. Just you wait. Alright guys, there are things with stone bricks on the ground and they were actually blowing around. True breaking news going on today.
We're not going to go through downtown. We're going to go up this road here.
Yeah, we can't
It is
risk
crazy.
it. They're here. The SWAT team. The SWAT team is here. Is that a SWAT team? Is there martial law now? So there probably won't be a tea video today. Until Christmas time. We might be a bit backlogged with footage. After everything we're recording today. There's town hall. Do you want our weather update or to discuss something on camera?
It's still -1 and the wind is gusting between 60 and 80 kilometers per hour.
Wow.
Look at that, big branch broke off that tree.
Whoa. That tree looks like destroyed. Quick, make wood pellets. God bless you.